I think it's time to move the donor car. So let's see if it starts after sitting on my driveway for 2 years and see if we can get it in the garage. Well, so much for pulling the doors off this thing and getting it into my garage this weekend. The Great British weather has put paid to that. It's just raining, it's just teeming down. Oh well. This thing hasn't been started in over 2 years, so I'm pretty sure the battery's flat. Well, I better get my cheap eBay Chinese knockoff battery charger charged up. I'm going to bring the donor car into here, but there is a problem. If I bring the car in, I can't open the doors to get to the hinges to remove the doors. This is a typical size garage in the UK, which is about just under 3 meters, which is too small. So I'm going to have to pull the doors off before I bring the car in. But before I can get the car into the garage, I'm going to have to clear my carport. I don't quite have enough space for everything, so I'm going to have to move some of this into the workshop, get the car in, and then move it all back again. One Audi Quattro? 2 Audi Quattros? Yeah, this car's been sitting for a good couple of years. Let's hope it starts. Ew. I'm going to have to clean this. This ain't working. Oh dear, that might be a problem. When I parked this up, I did disconnect the battery. Alright, let's connect up my cheap eBay Chinese knockoff car starter. No, it ain't. Time to bring out the big guns. So it looks like I'm going to have to fire up this quattro to fire up that quattro. After 2 years, it'll settle down. Well, it's running. I just need it to run long enough so I can get it into my garage. Let's hope it holds together. Well, it does run and it sounds good, but the brakes are seized. This is going to be a problem to push around, so I might have to sort that. Yeah, it doesn't sound so bad now it's warmed up. Now, there is an oil leak somewhere down there. After a while, smoke starts coming up from here. This is why it was taken off the road. It got so bad, it was coming up from the wheels. So, somewhere down there is an oil leak. It could be a turbo, but it could be a gasket on the back end, but I won't know till we pull this engine out. But that's why this is off the road. Ooh, this ain't good. Oh no. Looks like I'm gonna have to get the broom out. Oh great. Oil, that's that leaky turbo. So here's the plan. I've got the car in and I'm going to start taking the doors off. Take this one off and we'll take this one off. If it starts to rain, then at least I can get the car into the car port and that should stop the interior getting wet. Once I've done these two doors, I'll turn the car around, do the other two doors, and then I can get the car into the garage. Of course, moving this car is going to be a bit of a problem because the brakes are seized, so I don't think I'm going to be able to push this thing. So I just hope I've got enough petrol in it and this engine continues to run for just a little bit longer until I can get it in the garage. I think that'll do for now. So see you in the next one. Bye.